Okay folks, so I recently bought this FusionDock Max 2 from iVANKY. I've got a couple of CalDigit Element 5s. It's all getting a bit packed. Thought about upgrading a little bit. I saw these. I thought, well, I'll give it a go. So just so you know, I bought this on their website, the UK website. I put it in the basket and then I left it there for a couple of days. I didn't purchase it, and then I got a 10% discount. So that's worth checking out if you're thinking of buying one of these, just seeing if you get the same discount. So let's open it up and have a look, which says triple display port, 23 port connectivity, 8 to 120 gigabit speed, made for Mac. Okay, which is me. I presume that's just how it is, not made for Windows. Bad luck. So first of all, we've got this little pack of something here. Let's have a look what's in there. Okay, so we've got a quick start guide, which is very easy, I guess. Some tips, troubleshooting. We're hoping we're not going to have any troubleshooting. And then we've got the actual user manual in every language under the sun, I guess, as well. We never read any of those things, do we? This is the gizmo. Let's have a look. It is heavy. I was surprised how heavy this is and how heavy the box is. I think it's to do with this case that's wrapped around it. Let's have a look. What goes on here? Oh, I don't know if that was supposed to happen like that. Oh, there, okay, that's just a sticker. We don't need that. I am going to rip this off. You can't. I don't think you can get this off and keep it in one piece, even if you wanted to. So there we have it. All the ports on the front: SD card, standard USB, USB-C, power button, I guess, headphone output on the back. Oh no, that's headphone output. What's that one on the front? Oh, two headphone outputs. Okay. USB-Cs again, SPDIF connector, power in. That's one of those little lock thingy bobbies. This is a really chunky piece of kit compared to, I know the CalDigits are half the size, but the comparison is not even comparable. This is really heavy, but it's really cool. It's nicely made. Little rubber feet on the bottom, all the bits and pieces. See what else is in the box, if anything. There was a 13 amp plug came with this as a separate. By the way, with this particular one, this particular deal, I got a free wireless charger thing, which I'll show you in a second. So let's just wrap in. We have the power supply, pretty chunky. That is well chunky. Hang on, I've got some cables here as well. Have a look. Yeah, that is a nice cable. Oh, HDMI. Oh, cool. Okay, HDMI, USB-C, I guess. USB-C, USB-C. Let's put that in here. Oh, what's that? Okay. Oh, that's weird, isn't it? They're magnetised together. Why is that, I wonder? I don't know why that is, but that's a USB-C to USB-C. It's a pair of USB-C cables, and they stick together. Strange, but there you go. And then in here, oh, that's a European power cable. Okay, so there you go. I'm impressed with the leads. I didn't think it came with that many cables, but that's cool. The unit is chunky. It's well packaged. You also get, or I also got this iVANKY wireless charger. Folds out like this. It's got this little bit on the back which I haven't figured out what it is yet. I guess it's a kind of flip thing, but I haven't tried it, but I'm sure it works. That came with a USB-C cable as well. All in all, I think they are expensive, that's for sure. It looks like a quality piece of kit. We shall find out how it works, and I shall do another review of it in operation. But off the bat, looks good quality, feels good. Lots of cables, power cable, everything you need to get it going. So I'm going to get it hooked up over the next few days. I'll come back and do a video. Let me know what you think. Have you got one? Do you like it or do you not like it? What have you got instead of this?